Hello and welcome guys. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy USDT in Binance. Quickly, MEXC, good trading platform, our sponsors, check them out, link description down below. FTMO, they give you the chance to trade with other people's money and keep the earnings for yourselves as long as you can prove it to them. Go check them out as well. Okay, so USDT, quite a popular currency to trade with, considering it has really low fees and most people want to use it. How do you do that? Well, I've already shown you how to actually buy and trade in Binance, so you can use one of those methods. One of them is simply going to your wallet overview, waiting it for it to load, clicking deposit and clicking crypto deposit. Here you can just select USDT and the network you want to. Usually I recommend TRC20 because the fee is always just $1 and you can deposit USDT from here, or you can of course deposit fiat, deposit some currency like USD or whatever. Then with that currency you can go to trade, convert, and convert, come on, buy from example euro to USDT, and let's say 50 or even USD. There isn't USD or whatever. For example, just an example. Of course, you can always just sell some of the coins that you have if you have like ADA, etc. And you can sell them. For example, USDT. It isn't popping out. Just go to and whoops, click the wrong one. Add a USDT, and you can sell your ADA for USDT. For example, selling 50 ADA. Whoops, wrong box. Selling 50 ADA for the amount USDT you want, like this, and you will receive it in USDT. Quite a lot of mistakes in this video, but I hope you get the gesture. That's pretty much it. You can either sell to get USDT, or you can convert to get USDT, or you can buy it to get USDT. That's pretty much. Hope it helped. Have a nice day. See you next time. Remember, this isn't any financial advice. Good luck.